Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Friends, as you all know, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti NVS has released a notification for uh, principal post, then PGT post, then TGT post. So if you are preparing for Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti's post graduation for teachers, that is PGTs. So in this video we are going to discuss MCQs on ICT. So as you all know, 10 questions you will get from knowledge of ICT. For you to help your preparation, we are going to discuss some important MCQs on ICT in this video. And friends, as you all know, the examination pattern for PGT, general awareness carries 10 marks, reasoning ability carries 20 marks, knowledge of ICT carries 10 marks, then teaching aptitude carries 10 marks. So and your subject is going to carry 80 marks, which includes NEP 2020 also. Then language competency test, which includes general English and general Hindi, is going to carry 20 marks. So total it will be for 150 marks. So in this video we will discuss some important MCQs on ICT. So if you are preparing for Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti's postgraduate teachers, that is PGTs, here we have bought a crash course for your preparation. So this crash course is available for all the subjects: history, economic, geography, physics, chemistry. This crash course is available for all the subjects. So in this crash course you will get 10 mock tests with solution PDF. Then MCQ lectures are available on all the sections. Then we are providing practice MCQ set only at rupees 2000. So if you want to join, you can send a WhatsApp message to this number, or else you can also contact this number. So we are providing this material in WhatsApp. So let us move to the questions now. Here the first question is, the main two components of CPU are: option A, control unit and ALU; option B, ALU and bus; option C, control unit and register; option C, registers and main memory. So here the right answer is option A. So by mistakenly I have written C here. Here the right answer is option A. The main components of CPU are a central processing unit. There are mainly two components are there in CPU. One is control unit and another one is arithmetic logic unit, ALU. So option A is correct here. So very easy and important question. So if you go through the control unit, which is also written as CU, it is one of the most important parts of the microprocessor, as it is in charge of the entire process. And the control unit extracts instructions from memory and decodes them. Based on these instructions, it creates control signals that tell the arithmetic logic unit and the registers how to operate, what to operate, and what to do with the result. All will be suggested by the control unit. And control unit is going to control and coordinate all the hardware operations. Then if you go through the arithmetic logic unit, it is the section where the actual data processing takes place. All calculations and comparisons take place in this section only. In addition, arithmetic functions, the ALU also handles logic operations. Then all mathematical operations are performed in binary numbers, and please remember it, the language of the computer is binary. And all logic operations are also performed in the using binary operations in ALU. So this is about CPU. So the next question is, which of the following hardware was used by the first generation computers? Option A, transistors; option B, vacuum tubes; option C, VLSI; option D, integrated circuits. So which of the following hardware was used by the first generation computers? So here the right answer is option B, vacuum tubes is the correct answer. So first generation computers were used vacuum tubes. Yes, first generation computer, the period was 1940 to 1956. So vacuum tubes were used for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. And the first generation computers were very expensive, large in size, slow in process, and also had less storage capacity. And these first generation computers were used machine language for programming. So the next question is, Python is option A, a programming language; option B, an operating system; Option C, an application program. Option D, a compiler. So what is Python? So 4 options are given here. The right answer is Python is a programming language. Remember, Python is a programming language. So Python, it is an interpretable high level purpose programming language. So the next question is, the combination of computing, telecommunication and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as option A, online communication, option B, integrated media, option C, digital combined, option D, convergence. So the combination of computing, telecommunication and media in digital atmosphere is known as the convergence. So here option D is the correct answer. So convergence means it is a process by which telecommunications, information technology and the media sectors that originally operated largely independent of one another, and all these are going together. So it is known as the convergence. So the next question is, community radio. It is a type of radio service that caters to the interests of option A, local audience, option B, education, option C, entertainment, option D, news. So community radio, it is a type of local audience. Option A is correct. So the next question is, which of the following is the only flash memory? Option A, RAM, option B, EEPROM, option C, PROM, option D, EEPROM. So which one of these is the flash memory? So here option B, EEPROM is the flash memory. Electronically erasable, programmable, read only memory. Sometimes full form will be asked in exam. Electronically erasable, programmable, read only memory. So let us see about flash memory. Flash memory, it is an electronic non volatile computer storage. It is the storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. Yes, please remember, flash memory, it is a non volatile computer memory, and it can be electrically erased and also reprogrammed. And there are two types of flash memories are there. One is NOR flash, then NAND flash. The next question is, in that context of email, what is spam? Option A, the act of overloading an email server by using denial of service attacks. Option B, email messages that are infected with viruses. Option C, a large quantity of messages that do not reach the recipient. Option D, unsolicited advertising sent to a large number of recipients. So here the right answer is option D, unsolicited advertising sent to a large number of recipients. So option D is correct. So in the context of email, spam means unsolicited advertising sent to a large number of recipients. So SIMM is option A, single inline memory module, option B, serial input memory module, option C, synchronous in memory module, option D, synchronous input memory module. So here the right answer is option A, single inline memory module. So option A is correct answer. SIM stands for single inline memory module. So SIM stands for single inline memory module. It is a type of memory module containing random access memory used in computers from the early 1980s to the late 1990s. Yes, let us move to the next question. Which of the following statements is or are true with regard to the websites? So which of the following sentences are correct about websites? Website option sentence P is, a blog is a website that consists of posts in reverse chronological order. Q is, a wiki is a website that is designed to allow people to collaborate easily. Choose the correct answer from the following. Option A, P only, option B, Q only, option C, P and Q, option D, neither P nor Q. So here option C, P and Q both are correct here. So blog, it is a website, and blog is consist of posts in reverse chronological order. It is also correct. And a wiki, it is a website that is designed to allow people to collaborate easily. So this is also correct here. The next question is, XML stands for option A, extensible markup language, option B, external markup language, Option C, external markup logic. Option D, external magnitude language. So here the right answer is option A. XML stands for extensible markup language. So option A is correct. Extensible markup language. So XML stands for extensible markup language. A markup language, it is a set of codes, tags that describes the text in a digital document. The most famous markup language is HTML, hypertext markup language, and HTML used to format web pages. So let us move to next question. Which of the following statements regarding the term ICT are true here? P is a digital divide is an economic and social equality with regard to access to use of or impact of ICT. Q is ICT helps in international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technologies. Choose the correct answer from the following. Option A P only, option B Q only, option C P and Q, option D neither P nor Q. So here the right answer is option B Q only. So P is wrong here. Digital divide means it is not an relationship between economic and social equality. So option P is wrong. Q is correct here. ICT helps in international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technologies. This is correct here. So the next question is the standard size of IP address is option is 16 bits, option B 32 bits, option C 48 bits, option D 64 bits. So here the right answer is option B 32 bits. The standard size of IP address is 32 bits. So to your computer and IP address, it is a 32 bit number subdivided into 4 bytes. The algorithm is basically option A solution of a program, option B random idea about a program, option C the logical flow of a program, option D none of the above. So here the right answer is option C the logical flow of a program. The algorithm is basically the logical flow of a program. The next one is with regard to a word processing software. The process of combining static information in a publication together with variable information in a data source to create one merged publication is called option A electronic mail, option B data sourcing, option C mail merge, option D spam mail. Yes, here the right answer is option C mail merge. So mail merge means mail merge consists of combining mail and letters and pre-addressed envelopes for mass mailings from a form letter. So this feature is usually employed in a word processing document. So and it contains fixed text and variables. So the next question is with regard to email, what does BCC mean? Blind carbon copy means. So either 4 options are given. I will move to the answer directly. The right answer is option B blind carbon copy. It stands for the user specified in the BCC field will get the email and see the addresses in the to and CC field. So this is correct about blind carbon copy. The user specified in the BCC field will get the email and see the addresses in the to and CC fields. So the next question is video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting is called option A virtual video, option B direct broadcast, option C video shift, option D real time video. So video transmission over the internet is known as the real time video. Option D is correct. This real time video, the transmission of live video, it implies that there is no delay at the receiving side or at most imperceptible delays. So in the real time video means there is no delay at the receiving side. The next question is in a computer if 8 bits are used to specify address in memory, the total number of addresses will be option A 8, option B 256, option C 216, option D 512. So here the right answer is option B 256 is the correct answer. So the next question, an email address is composed of option A 2 parts, option B 3 parts, option C 4 parts, option D 5 parts. Yes, here the right answer is option A 2 parts. An email address, it is composed of 2 parts. So there are 2 parts in an email address. So the part 1 is domain and the second one is specific. Example, jsmith@example.com. So the next question is, Corel Draw is a popular option A illustration program, option B programming language, option C text program, option D none of the above. So Corel Draw, it is a popular illustration program. So option E is correct. So Corel Draw, it is a vector based designing software and it is used for creating logos, plexes, brochures, invitation cards and many kind of vector designing based on the lining. And this Corel Draw is developed by Corel Corporation. So it is known as the Corel's graphic suite. Okay friends, this is about today's session. And if you want to join our Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti's post graduation teachers crash course for all the subjects, here crash course is available for all the subjects. So here 10 mock tests are available. After attending the test, you will come to know your score. Then you will also receive solution PDF of the test. MCQ lectures are available on the all the sections. Practice MCQ set is available only at 2000 rupees. So if you want to join, just contact this number and also, or else you can also just send WhatsApp message to this number. So I wish all the best to all. Thank you.